I'm Captain Starlight and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight dose of distraction. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's go. Did you know that the sunsets on Mars are actually blue? And today's activity is Blue Glue Galaxy Craft. Try saying that 5 times fast. Here's what you will need. Mixed media paper, Elmer's school glue or something similar, blue acrylic paint, a wood skewer or stick for stirring, watercolour paints, and scissors. Don't forget to ask a grown-up if you need some help with the scissors. Excuse me. Step 1. Remove the lid of a 3/4 full glue bottle and add a generous amount of blue paint. Step 2. Put the lid back on tightly and shake for a few minutes until the paint is mixed through. Step 3. Remove the lid and stir with a stick. Pop the lid back on and test on a spare piece of paper. Step 4. Draw the outline of your planet using the glue. Let it dry for 24 hours and then you can paint or colour the inside. While we wait, you can watch me whistle. Or you could try this. While the glue is still wet, try experimenting with making different patterns and effects in it using a skewer. Or sprinkle glitter over it so it sticks while the glue is drying. Or you could try sprinkling dog food. No? Once you've made sure that it's completely dry, it's time to add colours to the inside. When you've finished painting, cut them out and make them into something 3D. Find somewhere to hang them up for others to see your artwork. How did you go? I wonder what else you could turn your artwork into. What about a hat? Or some glasses? Or a window cover for a rocket ship? I can't wait to see what you come up with. This has been Fun with Captain Starlight. I've been Captain Starlight and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.